It's a naughty student. Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope that you all enjoyed your tea. And for these questions, I'm going to say something a little bit different about them today from what we're used to.
네, 소자 뉴종 요샤스 네 초페버다스 딜레스 단다이바나 드와딩 아수 남제 딱바타고 요로와 아니 테라 드와딜라야 지금코 마수 만다 지금 타인스
We are not going to do these discussion questions ourselves right now. However, what I would like to ask you to do is to keep these in mind as you design the lessons and the learning activities for the organ systems.
그 단단한 속에 트리더시에 means 임바이나야 제속에 단다게 왕보고 말라콜라야 진짜 트리치 다르치고요와 다르치비 값을 좋아되더라야 섬는 당신 아니 다르나로지스.
Since your lessons are so short, you'll probably have only one educational goal that you'll be able to cover.
단다 제속을 혼자 트리아데 하천 통통로와 지트인 통통치나 투구스탄발라야 단다 땅보텔라야 그 쉬운 거 무이세테 무이 깡치 지샤트나 야고요레스.
And for the activity, as I mentioned, if you want extra practice with the one that you will do in your final presentation, you can choose that one and have extra practice. Or if there's another kind of learning activity that you would prefer to use for today, that's fine too. This is up to you.
단다 되어라야 테 트리비 값을 제고 가르 배쳤던 게 인사에 주요치더라. 네 게티 체랑게 타마긴 전에 트리비 값을 니마 타마들라 담시 지비 값을 배쳤던 아게 아니 제고 딘다도 예바임바나 제고 디티나 배쳤던 티나 당나 듣고레스라. 아니 티마임 바체 더 제고 드탑디스 거더라. 어디 배쳤던 듣고스 게티 마초 바임바이나 야치 셴다 티나도 티랑 치부체다 배쳤던 아게 제고 딘다 요바나 야티 배쳤던 듣고레스.
For the third one, keep in mind that it will be you and your group who are the instructors for your topic. So when this is talking about what's going through the mind of the learner, you want to think about all of the other people who are in the other groups. They'll be the students and you'll be the instructor for this topic.
trust mbati imba tanda hansen de trip capsule hoptizu samna karish korgo res droterwa nistambalaya ta rokati ke chesu tedi chip capsule ta chesu gigem big samna tango res chesu share was ta hoptizu sestambalaya chenta janda pechang ro pajenda samarwa janda jenda samalaya samna tango res.
And as Punso mentioned, it's sometimes a little bit difficult to get at this fourth point when it's such a short amount of time to get at the connections. But it still is good to have in mind as you're planning, and it is possible to get at it at least a little bit.
This Tambalaya Chindewa Theatre last Sobatis, Capote Chungres, Imbanaya, Jinde, Telaya, Gombajitna Yores.
Okay, I would like to point us to this spot in our Google Classroom because you're able to find the slides that I've already been sharing, and very importantly, where it says these slides for micro teaching, you will be able to use these to help you with your lessons for today.
Tadanda de Galayo Patirwa, Tanda de Galayo, day 5 slides set it, and the typical pictures, the touch, take all a chitwa. Slide for micro teaching says to a data chitu with under Tadici and young Congo and the Triagi to pitch it on again, and a lot of res.
So an important point about these slides is that for today, you actually won't be making any changes to these slides. So you can use the slides that are there if you want, but the main focus for today is having some other teaching technique.
That under the Kapsi, Bana Tirachits and the Chipi Kapsi, Dela, any Kasangasun Dela, your pig, Lokton Yerjola, Dela, and Drama Tambachirwa. Ne Chitsuga Zoo Kapsin de Drama Tangochisra. And it has so the caresses Tambalaya, Tirangatsuga, Muskayate, Nature Honset Tripi Kapsi, Honset Tregi, Talum Caripachetangimbe, or Tigolaya, near Kagompajironas.
And for the final presentation, you may also see some slides in there that are helpful to you. If it's for your final presentation, we would ask that you can use them to help you. You could use them as inspiration, but for your final presentation, you wouldn't be using these exact same slides. It would be something that you created yourself.
That today they can use the slide, right?
Yes, today, that's the distinction. Today, yes, you can use them, but final presentation, then we won't use them.
That tirande imbayna rwa tanda delaya tanda ko chatrichi gi chetu tanda loktan nyenji shayo patik nang laya tanda ge wampuk mala sama dua. Tira chetu tripi kapse data pechetana diko res loktan nyenji dela yo pati pechetana deta ne tritap kari pechetang ge university pechetana tna diko res rwa. Ane yima thama telaya chesuge ane thonse tripi kapse ane susu zugu yo res rwa. Loktan nyenji zuya tan tari sama susu chigu yo res ta data pechetanga data kasugre ta data la teni data ya chi luche ragaya tang tapchi kari tang do telaya ta yo res imbayna yendi pechetanga yo maris telayo pige loktan nyenji ti sama pechetanga yo maris thama gi tamshi kesus gordarwa sanje nanyarwa tikasante pechetama susu zugu yo res.
And we recognize that it's possible that you and your team, you might not feel that you are the full expert in this organ system right now, but that's okay. We'll have this full session for you to do some research online. You can look up some other ideas, some information, some lessons. And of course, you have us as resources. We'll be coming around, and any questions you have, if you need clarifications, help finding something, that's what we'll be spending the whole rest of this morning session on.
Tanda de la ya chesu gudus joshi ka mando gudus damshayores chichi bain bana chesu ne chi diga la ya yapu mashiwa tan tene do yong sibares radim baina ni chesu danda ge ta chotan de la ya ni yengkon jabla chesu ge thati chi chiarwa tigi chet thati chi la ya dus chu to khotro chi yens ni chesu ge rokana la dus diga la thati chi ro chis nga chuim bana la de la yos nga chukora jajin yon ni chesu la kare rokpa che ni chesu ge yana yon ko trathone tata joshin dita tan devis ko susu josh tan devi ge ta ko jucha kare ra ko yo pa man dus chudu chi dete ni yengkon jab ki de la thati na ro chis.
Yes, so just please take a look at those slides and please work on your lessons. We will be coming around, but if there's a question that comes up that's more urgent, of course you can get our attention and raise your hand, something like that.
Dana chesu rokana la ya chiro chis ro ne ngasu dus kura jajin yongge ins ya kete ya chi twa ke chembo nenga cheng twa tin do yo pai na ne la pa chang che twa tan digres ngasu lan jagos.
Okay, good luck.
This no, yeah, that I didn't know chase.
Who is getting understand
Tanda dirwa gelage micro teaching slides says doa Tilaya tanda gangla tshaju wambu mala de kanza ge ti dua slide dua PowerPoint ti tada dunlo sama ingre sha wo sama pegire dua oto peche tanda dikyo resik de sharwa te tada ya chichne pen thonda khore. I'm just telling that you have all the slide.
Don't make too many edits. The PowerPoint's not the focus, but they might need.
Yeah, Tatula Yopach to Atanda, Tatula Yochu Loktan Yerchidua, Tilaya Zuchi Jagatina Dochiga Yongamarua. That's so the Karesena, Tatota Yamta Zuchi Mijaga Tangore, the Kate Susu Susunane, Pechu Tangi, Senama download che, knowledge to that. download che ne susu go te phat ne susu jana de ko sa ko da oh yeah